One of the most profitable businesses a lot of people are yet to tap into is recharge card printing business. Yes, this is a very valuable business and profitable business, but unfortunately, a lot of people are yet to tap into it. Maybe because they think that there is no money in it. But believe me, I have a person who is building his third house just through this recharge card printing business. This person actually had no other businesses except a recharge card printing business, and he has cars and a family. So if it is not profitable, how then can such a person build such houses? So, and the reason why many people underrated this business is nothing but because they knew that there is no money in it. You see, when you're making 20 naira, 30 naira, 20 naira, 50 naira on airtime printing, people did not see any value, any profit in it. They think there is no profit in it. But the answer is no. Why? Because it is a very lucrative business. It is a kind of business that can never and will never lack sales as long as there is still phone, as long as people still do call each other, as long people still do buy data on their smartphone. Then this recharge card printing business will never expire. So have you determined on starting your own recharge card printing business? Let me walk you through a website where I buy and print my own recharge card and sell to my customer. I sell as a wholesaler and you can as well. So let's go. While we're getting started now, if you find value in this video, ensure that you subscribe to this channel because even more valuable content will still be posted on this channel. So the first thing we're going to do is to use our browser. I'm going to be using the Chrome browser here. So tap on it. Now, when you get to the Chrome browser, search for vtunet.com. VTUnet, as you can see it here, VTUnet. Now it is .com.ng, or when you not yet, you say tap send. You can see this is actually the website. The first one you see at the top here, this is the website, or you may search, you may type the full URL, which is https https vtunet.com.ng. Don't forget, if you find value, don't forget, if you find value in this video, do subscribe to this channel. So tap on go. So this is the home page right now. The next thing you're going to be doing from here is to tap on register. So enter your email. Let me use this as a sample. So I'm just using this as a sample. I have an account with them already. So my name, you can see. So your phone number, ensure that you provide your personal phone number, and most importantly, the phone number should be linked to your WhatsApp. That means should be the one that you used in registered on WhatsApp, though it is not necessary, but it will help a long way. So enter your phone number, then choose a state. Let me choose a random state. I already have an account. So now when it gets to this referral's username, if you want me to earn, you can just put blitz boom. if you want me to chop Rivera's money, to earn from Rivera's money, then you may help me with that by just entering my username there. So my password, I'm going to be using a random password as well. So after entering your password, tap on sign up. So you can see welcome on board. So after that, you can see these are all the services on the site. So first thing first, go to menu, tap on menu. Yes, once you get here, you may decide to secure your account with passkey. That is, if you want to be logging in with fingerprints. And the second one here is require PIN. That is, if you want to secure your account with PIN. And then another one is if you want to be hearing how transaction is going on your website, you can just turn this voice notes on. Voice assist rather.
Voice assist on.
You can see that is the work. So you can see there are many services on this website. So let's go back. So now we are here to print airtime, right? So we are here to print airtime. The next thing to do is to locate your account number. You can see this is my personal account number, which was automatically generated for me with my name. So if you want to fund your wallet as well, you have to tap on the account number here. You have to copy it. You see, copy to clipboard. So you have to copy it, then transfer any amount you want to use in funding your wallet to it. Then automatically it will appear here just in a second. Just in a second, it is going to appear here. Now once it appear there, tap on print airtime. So after that, select the network, the amount, maybe 100 naira recharge card, 200, 500 recharge card. So and then your business name, maybe your business name is VTU Net Telecom. Quantity first. Enter the quantity. Maybe you want 100 pieces of 100 naira recharge card pins. 100 pieces of 100 naira recharge card pins. You may want one. You may buy just one to test the site. Yes, before you proceed to buy in larger ones. So enter your business name, though as you can see here, this is optional, but it's great, it's awesome if you add your business name to it. It will be on the paper just like the ones you buy from individuals that sell. So enter your business name, for instance VTU Net Telecom. You can see that's my business name, for example. So you are about to generate one MTN 100 naira for 985 naira 50 kobo. So tap on proceed.
Insufficient balance.
I have not funded this wallet as well. So after you funded your wallet, you tap on this.
Insufficient balance.
It will be successful as long as you have money in your wallet. It's going to be successful. So after it's successful, now click on this home. Then go to airtime pins. As you can see it here, airtime pins. Now your pins will be here. Maybe you purchased airtime yesterday, for instance. Now that is why we have dates here. You purchased airtime pin yesterday and you have not printed it. You just have to select date. Simply select date. So for instance, I can select 6, which was yesterday, set, and then network, maybe MTN or whatever network it is, then end date, that is it is that same yesterday. So set, you can see, okay, let me say it is that yesterday again. So you can see 66. So it's going to show me all the pins that I generated yesterday. Now, how many did you printed yesterday and how many do you want to print out? So maybe it is 10 or maybe it is everything. So just tap on maybe 30 and then all the pins will show here. I hope you understand everything I'm saying here. Now, please note there is one thing you need to understand here. The reason why it says oops no record found is that I have not bought pin. Once you've bought pin, it will be listed here. If you follow the previous steps I provided here, it will be all the pins that you want to print out will be listed here. Then it will show prints. Yes, a print it will show prints. You will see something like prints. Yes, something like prints here above the recharge card. Just tap on it, then connect to your printer. Maybe you are using the main printer or Bluetooth printer. You can use any. Yes, you can use any. Whichever you are using, you are good to go. So once you tap on it, you connect it, you tap on it, it will automatically print. Yes, it's going to automatically print. Then you can print largely. A lot of, personally, I print largely. I print largely, which benefits me a lot. If you want to make money from this business, then you have to print largely. I will not lie to you. It is very, very important for you to print largely. Don't be deceived. You can only start this business with as low as 1,000 naira. As long as you have printer, you can only start with as low as 1,000 naira, but that cannot give you what you want. You need to print largely. Print 50,000 recharge card, 40,000 recharge card on and above. That is going to benefit you a lot. I believe this video has helped you in one way or the other. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, which is very, very important. And I believe that you know that someone needs this video. Try and send it to the video. Let me know your opinion in the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye bye.